beautiful. Check that out. Hold on, guys. There we go. Got it. So all of these windows here open that same way with the little leverage. So yeah, the kitchen. What we're doing here is going to be super awesome. We're actually going to be removing this tile for the floors, and I'm putting that really big black hexagon tile starting from the entrance foyer all the way coming through the kitchen all the way to the dining area. Then these cabinets are going to go more of a warmer white. This is bright white. It's just a primer. It's not even painted yet. So this is going to go a warm white, a black leathered countertop, right? All throughout the countertops. And then for the island, this island might go the same color as the trim, which is an iron ore black. That might go black with a white countertop for the island. Now tell me that wouldn't look stunning.